Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I'm filming in my new location, which is from the third floor of my apartment building. Thanks for the good wishes on the move. Oh, you didn't know I moved? Yeah, I moved. Ha! Okay, so we're doing an unboxing today with Burning Wick candles. This is a soy-based clean burning candle company that was created by my friend Tatiana. This is her business card. This is her location. This is a little sample she sent me. She is the owner and maker of all the candles. This is Cocoa Lime. So what I'm going to do today is smell all the candles that I just ordered because I have a new apartment and I wanted candles. Oh, okay. Coconut lime smells really good. Okay, I'm going to have to order that. Did I order that? I ordered, I think, one of almost every scent. Don't judge me. The first one that I'm going to open is Summer Breeze. And I am filming outside on my balcony. I guess it's patio. That smells really good. Wow. That smells really good. This is hand-poured soy wax. And I forget the scents on this one. But the scent is Summer Breeze, and it smells amazing. Oh, my God. Cannot wait to burn that. That might be my first one. I say that, and I've only opened one. Oh, this is Blood Orange. Blood Orange. It smells just like a blood orange. It smells so good. That's going to go in my bathroom. Yes. Thank you. I ordered two of those, by the way. The blood orange. This one is Relax, which I think was a lavender vanilla, maybe. Oh, no. I think this is eucalyptus. Oh, my gosh. This smells so good. She did a really good job with these scents. I'm not even going to lie. I am so excited. These are the 4-ounce ones, by the way. This jar size is the 4-ounce. I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. 2 blood orange. This one is Plumeria. This is a floral scent. Oh, this smells good too. These all smell really good. Good job, Tatiana. I love it. I'm so excited. I am going to have to order the coconut lime, though, because that smelled really good. I may have, though, but I'm not sure. Okay, so she sent these to me, and they came, half of them came in this to protect them from breaking, and the other half came just like that in the jar. Nothing broke, nothing was damaged. I'm so excited. She said she was waiting for bigger boxes to come, and she literally mailed mine off, and the bigger boxes came in the mail. Oh, this one is the lavender vanilla. This one might be my first one to burn, the lavender vanilla. She was out, this is, again, the 4-ounce. She was out of the 10-ounce ones, so I couldn't order that one, but I will definitely be ordering that one again. Holy macholi. That smells good. I am very, very excited and pleased with these scents. I haven't ordered from her in a really long time, and I didn't realize till I went to order again. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's been 2 years? What? How dare I? Another Plumeria. I did order 2 Plumerias. Okay, good. Because I thought I ordered multiples of a couple of scents that sounded really good. So I ordered 2 Plumerias. That smells so pretty. Oh, and I ordered some that sounded really interesting. And I wish I had the website open on my... I should have brought my phone out here, huh? So I could tell you what the scents are like. I might have to go do that. This one is called Her. And I need to get my phone to tell you what these smell like. Oh, oh, this is a date night candle. I'm not even going to lie. That smells really good. That's a date night candle. You decide what that means. It's a very, very, very nice scent. This one is, I think, him. Or did I order him in the big one? Oh, yes. Banana nut bread. Oh, yes. Because I wanted something that could smell kind of like food, you know? Oh, wow. I love all of these, and that kind of makes me mad because I love candles, and so when these burn off, I'm spending all my money again. There goes my stimulus. This is him. This one I ordered it in the big one because it sounded like it smelled really, really good. And it does. It smells like a very handsome man. I'm going to pause the video real quick, go get my phone so I can tell you what the scents say on the website. Hold, please. Okay, so blood orange. Thank you for holding. Top notes of grapefruit and bergamot fused with green earthy undertones and oranges. Smells amazing. It smells really good. Okay, next one, cocoa lime. Oh, that's the sample that she sent me. I'm glad I wore my glasses. Fresh lemon, sweet coconut, and lime and orange essential oils. So excited. Oh crap, I got it out of the website. Hold on. Technical dip. When I get excited, I can't use my fingers fast enough. Banana nut bread. Aroma of freshly baked banana nut bread straight from the oven. Oh, it really does smell like banana nut bread. How do you do that? Her is sold out. Glad I got mine when I did, because I do need a 10-ounce jar, by the by. A blissfully fruity island escape bewhistled with the sun-kissed aroma of tropical fruits, zesty citrus, and a playful floral bouquet. It smells really, like the way she combines these scents is just really good. It smells amazing. Oh, hem. Fine wood fragrances of mahogany and teak wood with hints of lavender and geranium. That smells so good. I don't know what that manly, maybe it's the mahogany and the teak wood. It smells so good. What else did I get? Lavender vanilla, which is kind of self-explanatory. Lavender, sweet cream, and I'm sorry, vanilla, sweet cream, and herbal lavender. Plumeria, I got 2 of those. Sweet, enduring tropical bouquet with a fusion of raspberry jasmine, gardenia, blooming plumeria, and a hint of powder. Oh, like a baby powder. That's what that is. Relax. Also sold out now. I did post that I bought a bunch of stuff. So, there you go. You're welcome. No. The aroma of earthy eucalyptus blends with refreshing mint to create this relaxing scent. When I first thought of it, I thought of lavender, but no, it is eucalyptus and mint. It smells so wonderful. I didn't order Vibes. I should have ordered that. I'll get that next time. Did I read off Summer Breeze? I don't remember. Did I? Okay, hold on. Seasonal. I think that's in the seasonal collection. Summer Breeze. Sweet coconut, fresh leaves, lemon, and eucalyptus. Everything smells so good. Thank you so much. I cannot. I don't know what I'm gonna burn first. I kind of want to. Okay. I think we might go with the plumeria. Oh my god. It smells so good. It smells so freaking good. And her little logo, I love that. And she has your wick burning instructions on the bottom. It tells you how many hours of burning time, which is approximately 30 hours. Hand-poured soy wax, 4 ounces or 113 grams. Made in Euclid, Ohio, because that's where she lives. Summer Breeze. You know what? Oh my god, this smell. Okay. So, Tatiana, when you get your new stock of 10-ounce candles, you let me know, because I have to order these in the 10-ounce. This 44-ounce is not going to last me at all. Hem is approximately 50 hours burn time. It's 10 ounces. And they burn clean. They don't burn with a little hole in the bottom. You know how some candles will burn, and they'll just burn around the wick for an inch or so, and they just kind of, it messes up the candle? Yeah, these don't do that. These burn clean across. So the whole candle burns. I love it! Okay, I gotta go because I have another video to shoot, and my dad doesn't like long videos, so I gotta end this before 10 minutes, okay? Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Burning Wick Candles. You did not sponsor this video. I paid for all of these with my own money, but I am so, so, so glad to be your friend and to encourage everyone to go buy candles because they are awesome. Peace.